If you want to keep track of time in different cities around the world, here's how to add multiple time zones in the iPhone Clock app. First, open the Clock app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the World Clock tab. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, use the search bar to find the city or time zone you want to add. For example, you can search for cities like New York, London, Tokyo, or any other location. Once you find the city, simply tap on it, and it will be added to your World Clock list. To add more time zones, just repeat the same process by tapping the plus icon again and selecting additional cities. You can also rearrange the order of your clocks by tapping Edit in the top left corner and dragging the cities into your preferred order. This is especially useful if you work with international teams, travel frequently, or have friends and family living in different countries. And that's how to add multiple time zones in the iPhone Clock app.